Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Now guys, I have been sent some lovely jewelry pieces from the gracious Sophia over there at Karativa, and I just wanted to share with you guys because this is the perfect time of year to gift a friend or a family member. So let me go ahead and introduce you to these beautiful jewelry pieces. So keep on watching, you guys. All right, so the elephant in the room are these gorgeous necklace and earrings. It's a set. It's a lovely sterling silver necklace, and it comes with these beautiful green stone in it, and then the matching earrings, of course. Now guys, if you're looking for a gift for a family member or a friend, then I would say go ahead and check out this site because they have some fabulous pieces, darling, and I'm not kidding you when I say fabulous. Their pieces are out of this world amazing, and whoever is in your life that you love, they deserve to be shown that by giving them something beautiful for Christmas. Now, it can also serve as a birthday gift. It doesn't have to be for Christmas. It can serve as an engagement or anniversary. And as I said, graduation as well. It doesn't matter what the occasion is. These lovely pieces are perfect for any of those occasions. Now, I was sent this set, which is, guys, every time I look in the mirror, I'm like, who is that rich girl? It's only me. So guys, look at how beautiful that is. It's sterling silver. It's very lightweight. The necklace has the bits where you can adjust. So if if you want it longer, of course you can adjust it. If you want it shorter, you can adjust it as well. Now the ring, this ring guys, came with the set as well. And this ring is beautiful. It's cubic zirconia and the rest of it is sterling silver. So this is one of the rings that was sent to me. And fellas, come here. If you're planning to pop the question this Christmas, I've got you. They have so many lovely pieces on there, you guys. I'm not kidding you. I had a look and I was like, wow, okay, I know what I'm going to be ordering for Christmas. So apart from this ring, guys, they sent me another ring. I will show you everything up close. They sent me another ring. And for reference, I'm a US size 4. So that's a small size. So they also sent me this lovely ring as well. So they sent me 2 rings, this one and the one I had on before. And these will make the perfect gifts for Christmas, because you know it's a time of year when we're all buying gifts for friends and family. And sometimes we run out of ideas. We don't know what to buy, or we don't know where to buy. So guys, this is a perfect gift guide if you're looking for something for a loved one or yourself. I mean, why not treat yourself on Christmas? Everybody else does. Why not treat yourself? So if you're looking for really lovely jewelry pieces, you guys, I would say go ahead and check this site out. I'm going to tell you some in-depth information about all the pieces they sell, and of course there will be a discount code for you guys. You know that I'm not going to come up here and talk about stuff and not get you a percentage off, okay? Of course, I'll be linking down below the discount code and all of that good stuff. I'll be leaving all the information down below, so make sure that you go ahead and check them out, because guys, I am telling you, I am sitting here and I feel like the richest girl around because these are so beautiful. Look for yourself. They're so gorgeous. And not only that, you guys, they were so kind, honestly, truly. They were so kind enough to send me a jewelry box. I don't deserve this. Actually, I do. So it comes in the box like this, you guys, okay? And it's a gorgeous little jewelry box. It looks like that. It's shaped like a heart and it has flowers at the top there. And when you pull it out like that, guys, how gorgeous is that? So not only can you store your jewelry pieces in there, you can also play a Christmas song as well. And I thought this is such a lovely gift. I'm thinking, mom, when I got this jewelry box, I was thinking my mom would love this, or my grandmother would love this, or I love it. Buy it for a friend, a sister, a cousin. They will love it because they can open it and they can hear that song and it plays and it just fills them with love and joy and happiness. And those are the things we need for Christmas, really. So yes, this perfectly shaped heart jewelry box came with the other pieces as well. So go ahead and check them out, because they also have this on their site, and it makes a beautiful Christmas gift for a loved one. Now guys, before I go on any further, I wanted to show you that the jewelry come in these lovely boxes right here. They're like, I don't know if they're real leather or faux leather, but they come in these boxes right here. So of course you can always store your jewelry in these boxes on your dressing table. And then they came in these plastics just for protection. So they came in 2 of these boxes, and then they came in a, so they came in this box, and you just pull it out like that. And there's another box for the earrings and the chain. So all you guys, let me tell you something. If you buy this as a gift, it's the easiest thing to wrap, because everything is already perfectly packaged. So all you have to do is just put a Christmas wrapper on it or a birthday wrapper, and you're good to go as a gift. And of course it comes with the little pouch that you can store your jewelry pieces in as well. So this is such a perfect little package. Everything is nicely packaged up, and everything is, I love the black with the silver detail on it, so it looks like that. And they also sent a, this is to clean your jewelry. Of course, that's to clean your jewelry. So it came in this little envelope like that. I am so impressed with how they just set everything up, and how they packaged everything, and how neat and tidy, sleek and sophisticated, and everything just looks expensive, you guys. I am so impressed, and let me tell you something, I will be shopping on here for Christmas gifts. So go ahead and check them out. That's what it looks like right there. Everything is nicely branded. Everything is nicely branded. So yeah, perfect for this time of year. These couldn't come at a better time, you guys, because I was trying to find, you know, I was trying to think of ideas for Christmas gifts, and these came right in time, not only for me, but for loved ones and friends as well. A little bit about the company. It's called Karativa. It says here, Karativa slogan, delivering the special love to special one, or the special someone. Insane quality? Yep. Insane prices? Nope. So basically, they bring you quality stuff at amazing, affordable prices. Okay, so it was founded in 2018, and it's a premium, unique online jewelry company. It's designed to help people create and purchase custom-made, personalized jewelry gifts for loved ones with the best quality and affordable prices. And a lot of us are looking for good quality stuff without having to pay a hefty price tag. I don't know about you, but I am always looking for stuff that I don't have to break the bank to afford. But when you look at it, it looks expensive, and it looks like it's made of really, really good material, and it has, you know, that it factor about it without having to spend, you know, an arm and a leg on it. And this is what Karativa offers. Okay, so they also say here, guys, quality is everything. S925 sterling silver, brilliance and durable stone, and it's handcrafted and precision. There is handcrafted and it's precision manufacturing as well. They also are eco-friendly, which is very good. So they also say here, we make our products to last and use the most eco-friendly materials available to us. Plus, we offset carbon emissions for every shipment we dispatch to our customers. Okay? And also, they guarantee that their support system, their support team will provide first-class after-sales service, which is very good, because if you buy something and it's broken, you want to be able to phone or email, you know, the company, and they can help you moving forward with that broken item. Okay? And they also say here, all your purchases are warranted, and they're here for you 24/7. So I like the fact that they're there for you even after you bought the products. Anything happens to it, they will help you with that product. And they also are eco-friendly, and they're affordable, and their prices are good, and they're also quality. I mean, what else are we looking for if we're buying stuff? I like everything that they've claimed so far, you guys. So of course I will leave all the links so you guys can check them out, And yeah, I'm really impressed. That's all I'm going to say. I'm really impressed, and I love all my pieces. I mean yeah. Okay, my lovelies, so I will leave all their information down below, as I said, in the description box down below, so make sure that you check it out. I also have a discount code, as I mentioned earlier. It's Shaunz10, so you'll get 10% off when you shop. Go ahead and check them out, you guys. I will try and insert some of the beautiful pieces they have in the store as well. Well, it's an online store, so I'll try and see if I can, you know, show you some of the other pieces that they have. But everything was packaged really nicely, and everything just looked so sophisticated and so rich. I feel like $1 million were in these right now, you guys, or should I say £1 million. I feel very, you know, classy, and I just love how they look. And I'm wearing this shirt to kind of complement the green. But you have the stones in different colors as well, so it depends on what like month you were born, you can get that stone as well. So guys, that is all I have to tell you about Karativa. I absolutely love everything that was sent to me, and thank you Sophia for sending these over. I really appreciate them. You have made my Christmas. You have made my Christmas, and it's, you know, this is like an early Christmas gift. So thank you so much. And of course, you guys, go ahead and check them out if you're looking for jewelry pieces for yourself, family member, or a friend. And thanks you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of these jewelry pieces. Let me know if this is something that you were looking for. Let me know if I've given you any ideas, because sometimes it's really difficult to find Christmas, you know, Christmas gifts, or you don't know what to buy for anybody. So these will be lovely gifts, whether it's for, it doesn't really have to be for Christmas. It could be, as I said, birthdays, graduations, anniversaries, engagements, you name it. These will be perfect for anything. So thanks again for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and comment down below and tell me if you like my pieces, and if these are something that you would wear yourself. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment down below, and subscribe. Turn the notifications on as well whilst you're there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.